Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate your support. In today's video, we're going to put up row covers on all of my raised beds that have the hoops on. And this is the second part of my plan to kind of combat a nuisance problem with the squirrels that we're having. But first, we're going to water our green stalk planter that we planted cowpeas or black-eyed peas in recently. So in the previous video, we planted black-eyed peas in the second and third rows of the green stalk, and we watered them, but we're going to give them another drink. Now, this is rainwater that I have collected in an old trash can, an old 55-gallon trash can. So wanted to start using it rather than just having it sit there doing nothing. And we're going to give our 3 strawberries a drink also. Okay, and the rest of the water, we're just going to pour it into the reservoir. I have my finger in the drip hole until all of it is in, and then we'll let it slowly drip down all tiers of the green stalk. So as you can see, we have 2 hoops up in this bed with the clips, the plastic clips that come along with the kit in place. And we're going to go ahead and see if we have enough netting to cover this particular bed. I think what I'm going to have to do is put 2 strips of the remaining netting on that side in order for it to work until I can get some more netting. So I was able to get netting on this one, and I'll show you the other ones that I did off camera. I still have 3 beds left to go, so I'll have to get some more netting. Now I have row covering, but it's thick, and I don't want it to be that we're hitting into spring and then summer. I have row covering, but I don't want to heat my plants up any more than what they're already getting heat naturally. But let's go see the other 4 that I did. This is my kale bed, and as you can see, we have 2 hoops with netting on them. Next to it, we have the cabbage bed, and we have netting on that. And next to that, in the large bed, we have netting on that as well. And the onion bed here, we have netting, and we have 4 beds left to go. We have the collard green bed over there. We have my bean bed. We have the garlic bed, and then we have this one here. So I have to get some more netting and then finish up. A few days ago, we put this up, and so far I haven't seen any squirrels here. I don't even know if they know that it's here. A few days ago, we put this up, and I haven't seen any squirrel activity. To be honest with you, I'm not sure that they even notice that it's here, but I'm pretty confident eventually they will notice it, and then they will start to come by and eat the peanuts, and thereby leaving my raised beds and everything alone. Let's keep our fingers crossed on that. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we installed netting on 4 of the beds that I wanted to get done today. We have to get more netting to do the remainder, but that will be done shortly. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'm interested to know, what do you guys do for nuisance animals in your garden? I'm trying to do this so that I don't have to do anything else. I don't want to put down traps or anything like that. Let me know what you guys do. I'm interested to know. If you are interested in any of the items used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.